guys, welcome to Aswada. Today I am going to show dry fruits laddu using cocoa powder. These are delicious, healthy and super quick to make energy balls. These dry fruits laddus are great for anyone looking for healthy and nutrient dense snack. In this dry fruits laddu we use peanut butter. So here I am going to show how to make peanut butter at home easily. To make peanut butter, take 1 cup of roasted peanuts and half teaspoon sugar. I am using organic brown sugar, and pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon honey, 2 teaspoons any refined oil or groundnut oil. Take a grinding jar and add 1 cup of roasted peanuts and grind into smooth powder. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of honey. Now add half teaspoon of sugar. It's completely optional, and pinch of salt and grind it into smooth paste. Your yummy homemade peanut butter is ready. So let's get started. These are the ingredients which I am using to make dry fruit laddu. We need to take 2 tablespoons of almonds, 2 tablespoons of pistachios, 2 tablespoons of black raisins, 2 tablespoons of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of cashews, seedless dates 1 cup chopped, flax seeds 2 tablespoons, dry anjeers 2 tablespoons chopped, peanut butter 2 tablespoons, ghee 2 tablespoons, honey 1 tablespoon, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons. Here I am using homemade peanut butter. Let's get into the procedure. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and add all the dry fruits one by one and fry them on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes until they change color lightly and keep aside. Now add chopped dates and anjeer. Fry them for 2 minutes and keep aside. Transfer to a grinding jar and grind dry fruits into coarse ground. Transfer into a bowl and keep aside. Now in the same grinding jar add dates and anjeer and 2 spoons of peanut butter and 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Grind into fine paste. Now add this paste to dry fruits mixture and now add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix well. Then immediately start making laddus. Do not cool completely. Laddus of any kind are a favorite with my kids, so I put in some effort every week to make something quick and easy. I make dry fruit laddu very often for the mid-morning snack. Serve immediately or stored in airtight container. Your yummy and delicious laddus are ready. Enjoy! Dry fruits laddu is an instant and healthy laddu prepared with only dry fruits without any sugar or jaggery. Seedless dates are coarsely grounded to act as edible gum and to give the sweetness to this energy laddu. I have always been a huge fan of dry fruits. Hope you like it. Please let me know in comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.